Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know for do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
My wisdom warriors, I hope you're all doing good in the evening, yeah. Anyway, me have a piece of claps to drop on. Oh no, me have few things me want to talk about. But first, let's start off with the G2K 2000, what they want to call themselves. Andrew Holness regime. Andrew Holness send out boy and send out girl them. Yeah? Them they set up people there. When them ready, then take set pan the PNP. Me I go show you the type of person the G2000 is, yeah, because when they come out and talk about Andrew Holness corruption, you remember in the last two videos, me list out the corruption for you. Me tell you say the G2000 they need to come out and address these things and show them things and spread it all over social media. And that them need to do. But them have the audacity now for come talk about the Mayor Swhy fail first test in Carnival garbage furor. When I hear this, G2K 2000, where Andrew Holness sent out. You know what? Let me read it for you first before I start pan them. Because me and them are going to have things. The young professional affiliate of the Jamaica Labour Party, G2K, says the mayor of Kingston, Andrew Swhy, has failed his first major test as leader of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC. My wisdom warriors, wanna see what me I telling about the G2K 2000? Look from what, listen, amount of rubbish pack up in a Kingston, amount of rubbish in a the market from Wapikill fill up over 2-3 years now, pure rubbish and dirty water pile up in a Kingston. Yeah, tell me say, for how much years G2K never see this here? Uno never see it. So wait then now. Wait. So wait then now. So because the carnival start, remember say this a man I just swear in, and the carnival start. Yeah? And it done and gone. Una come talk about test. When what Uno did there? I just other day the man swearing in. Just the other day. So when the whole heap of garbage pack up and still pile up right now in a Kingston, yeah? Uno never know, so uno should have come out. Uno want dirty piece of shit, me tell you that. Uno fi come out and address, uno now come out and address. Look from when the dirty water are run down in a Kingston. Look from when, uno see that. And uno have uno Mayor Delroy Williams sit back and don't do nothing, my viewers and subscribers. And G2K, they never run out. Andrew Holness people, them never run out. Me tell you now, you see the G2K is Andrew Holness, young people, the youth. Me never see them face it. But them claim say they have this group called the G2K. Them name the G2000 or something like that, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah? The amount of things, all the bloody water we are run from the hospital. Uno never see that. Uno never see that. The bloody water we are run from the hospital in the road, in the market, where the people, the seller, them have to come and put down them stuff, them food stuff in the dirty water sell to people. Uno no see that. Uno no tell Delroy Williams Feder to come clean up the dirty market. Yeah, and the whole heap of garbage will pile up. Okay, so no want Mr. Swhy now for come clean up on a dirty shit house. And that no want when you ready, you come out and show PNP. Yeah, and when uno do the things them, uno not show it up. I not understand uno. Me tell you my viewers and subscribers, I sound dirty wretch them. Me say me a plan for them, You know from when me a plan for them, from the last time they come out and come attack them, the PNP candidate, me a plan for them. Yeah, because amount of things that happen. Look on the market. Look on the market. They not even have street light. What una fi come out and address, una now come out and address and not talk about carnival. Una talk about carnival. Who made the, whose idea was this? Me sure no say Andrew Holness idea was this. Me sure no say the carnival was Andrew Holness idea. You understand me? Yes, me sure know that my viewers and subscribers because he make the whole of the money off of this. You get me? He make the whole of the money off of this. Okay, so uno plan on a carnival now and set up Mr. Swhy. Uno no bother with it. Don't bother with it. Because Mr. Swhy out every day I work hard. Me telling you that. G2K 2000. Uno can't bring down Mr. Swhy. Me telling you that. Uno cannot bring down Mr. Swhy. So uno better wheel and come again. You understand? The whole of una run out now. Me know why una run out now. My viewers and subscribers, this is the reason why Andrew Holness sent out in G2000 gal and boy them, for attack PNP. Hear this. The new chairman of the Finance Committee of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, Ksmac, has alleged that the former administration spent more than $80 million above the approved budget for salaries. Una hear that? Una hear this, my viewers and subscribers? The new leadership to request audit of alleged 88 million overspend on salaries at the Ksmac, Juliet Holness Place. This is Juliet Holness Place, And this is the problem, my viewers and subscribers. This is the big problem. Make you see G2K 2000 or G2000 run out and attack the mayor because the mayor is requesting an audit. You understand? What wrong with that? He is doing the right thing. You understand? But the thing is with them now, Jamaica Labour Party, they love thief. Them are thief. And that are the problem, And that are the problem. Amount of money they thief up there now. So this is why Andrew Holness sent out in crew now for come attack Mr. Swhy. This is the big problem. Just because the man requests audit for overspend money of 88 million Jamaican dollar. Tell me all about these people. Tell me about these people now. Honestly, so they must set up people here, not for lead. They must set up people here, not for run Jamaica. They must people here for lift up out the House of Parliament. Me telling you all the time, no joke about that, my viewers and subscribers. This is ridiculous. So the whole of them are planned for attack. The whole of them are planned for attack, the PNP attack Mr. Swhy now. And guess what, too? All the one Juliet, Juliet, bring Mr. Hey, my viewers and subscribers, me want to know if you subscribe to my channel first. Because that one you hot plus tax. The way all that one you hot, you have to subscribe for me there and like up the video. For me, I wait for you. You find the like button for me there and find the share button. Share out this video, my viewers and subscribers, and like it. It is free. All you do is just subscribe to my channel because this is one you hot. You hear this? The Jamaica Labour Party fight for the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation has reached the Supreme Court as its losing candidate for the Kintyre division has alleged irregularities in a claim that could trigger a revote in one polling division. My viewers and subscribers, this is the problem. So now see how everything set. So what? So the problem is now they're hiding something. You wanna hear that? They might hide something because them spend over 88 million. I do them personal business. Allege. Let me say allege for now until Auditor General roll out Panda 1 year. Yeah? So this is the whole reason. That's why you see they send out the G2K. They send them out now if you can't attack the mayor. Because the mayor requested an audit for the over $88 million where them spend upon themselves. You hear me? Only hear me by viewers and subscribers. So Juliet Holness now decide to fight to get back Ksmac. What you fight for, Juliet? What you fight for? Really and truly. What you fight for? talk truth. Let me ask you a question. Why are you fighting for it? Because you know so you mix up in a one bag of something. And you know so when the Auditor General touch all Ksmac, you know say a pure rat trap I go dig up. You know say a pure things are going. Pureness I go rise up. Pure answer go rise up out of the nest, my viewers and subscribers. This is the big problem. Why them attack the mayor? What about Ksmac, so? That me wouldn't like to know. I want to know what about Ksmac make Juliet Oldness get up and a fight for this. That me want to know. Because a whole heap of things are going down there, so my viewers and subscribers. A whole heap of things are going down there, so. And they don't want PNP get a hold of nothing. And I am urging on the behalf of the Jamaican people, Auditor General, I would like you to take up this case effective immediately, because the rate Juliet Oldness a move. You need to look into this, madam. You need to look into this effective immediately, because we want to know whether 88 million taxpayer money go, who it go to, who get it. Who get it. Hey, my viewers and subscribers, me tell you about them. Them are not easy people. Them are not easy people to deal with. Then we go to the extent, you not even know. You come like you don't know about Jamaica Labour Party. Come like you don't see what going with Andrew Oldness and his wife. Them a run Jamaica like a republic already. Me ala wonder if Jamaica undercover republic. You understand? For the way how Andrew Oldness dictate to everybody. You understand? And no care about nobody opinion. When the opposition leaders stand up in a House of Parliament and attack, they no care. They do as them like. Them do as they like. And them something is unacceptable. And then you have the PSOJ sit back and do not say anything just because them are labor right. Them are something right. Them are something is not right, my viewers and subscribers. Something need to be done. Something need to be done. All of this need to stop. It need to stop now. It need to stop now. Amount of time them a thief up taxpayer money. Amount of time. Why? And on see how people them in Jamaica are suffer. None of them not even have food to eat. You understand me? None of them can't even send them picnic to school. Look at all the special needs school. Listen, me always talk about the special needs school, my viewers and subscribers. Look on the special needs school. Not even the rent. Don't even pay the rent. The parents then turn up at school with them picnic we have special needs and just find out say the school closed. When them try to find out what happened, them here say the government not pay the rent. You understand? And enough of the parents them work. And the parents them have to stay home and look after them pitney. You get me? So at the special needs pitney them a suffer. And what? Uno not do nothing. All now uno not even go and pay the rent. You understand? But uno have money and enrich on yourself. This is pure corruption, my viewers and subscribers. This is pure corruption. This is why I always lick out against them. It is pure corruption. It needs to stop. What about taxpayer money, so? Taxpayer money is for the Jamaican people, not for enrich on yourself. It is not right. You understand? So, my wisdom warrior, I just did one point out all these points to you know. The G2000 where Andrew Oldness send them out, always a come attack the PNP. And where they infiltrated all see they not see. Where they see, they not see with them kulu yai. You understand me? The whole of them are corruption. The whole of the GLP cabinet is pure corruption. Because if G2K can come out and talk about the garbage, yeah, where people always a litter place. Anywhere you go, people are going to litter. You understand? And remember, say garbage, they in the market, them, you know, dirty water, bloody water run from hospital. And I never hear G2K come out and want Delroy Williams. All because them are labor right. So tell me if these people care about the Jamaican people. Honestly, say just politics them a play. They don't care about the Jamaican people. And my question to the Jamaican people now, when go realize, say Andrew Oldness don't give a shit about me ask that question. When go realize? Go realize back against the wall and nobody can go help you. When you not going to realize this? Listen, we need to get out Andrew Holness. We can't wait till next year, you know. Next year too blasted long. We need to take it to the street and start protests because we see what them a do. We see what them a do to taxpayer money, a phone no money. A phone no money, them a take and enrich themselves and a build up themselves. Build up apartments, build up businesses all over in the Caribbean. Few no money, Jamaican people, wise up. You understand? Beg God for some wisdom. If you don't have it, go read. Read. If you don't understand something, ask somebody. Ask Google. Google will help you. Ask Siri. Siri will help you. My viewers and subscribers, this is getting out of hand. This is ridiculous and this needs to stop. This needs to stop. This really needs to stop. So right now, we're just waiting right now to see what will happen. We are waiting for the Auditor General to see what she going to do. Because remember, as I said, the mayor sent a request for her to audit the 88 million overspent money. You understand? What them overspend it and do? We do not know. And why Juliet Holness just interested in a KSAMC? Why? Listen, you see that why? It is a very big why, my viewers and subscribers. But you tell me how you feel about this and want to think about it. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.